Welcome to Das Geek. Today I am going to show you a new app called WordFlow by Microsoft out for the iOS. Now, it kind of shocked me a little bit to see Microsoft getting into the keyboard app game, but that's what they've done. They are in it and they've created something pretty cool and unique. If you're like me, you've used iPhones, Androids, all of those. One of the things that I've noticed for iPhone specifically, and I also had this issue a lot with depending on the variation of Android that I had, where the keyboards just are not up to par. Now, iPhone on the smaller devices, its keyboard was amazing. It seemed like it was always accurate, it was always on point. But I've got the iPhone 6 Plus now. The keyboard, I'm constantly having typos on, whereas I did not have that problem before, surprisingly, on a smaller phone. I feel like the keyboard quality has gone down considerably. Maybe Microsoft saw that as well, and so they've thrown this app out there, and or maybe they're just trying to do big, giant meta grabs of data, but either way, they have this keyboard solution out there, and I wanted to give it a shot and show you guys. It's out on the iOS store now, so it's called WordFlow. One of the things that's unique about this is it allows you to customize the backgrounds of the keyboard itself with your own pictures, or you can use any of the variations that you see here below of the preset themes that they have, and I assume they'll probably create some type of market user created themes and that type of thing, because it says stay tuned for new themes. So either they're going to allow users to submit ones or they're going to be creating more. So you can add your own themes here, and of course I went with the DOS Geek theme so that we could properly represent the channel. But more than just the fact that you can theme something, we want to get in and see how well this keyboard works. So I got up notes here, and this is a look of the actual keyboard, so not a lot different from what you might have seen before. This has the swipe functionality, and I gotta say it does very, very well for what I've expected out of. I think there's an app called, is it called Swipe? There's another app out there that was very popular for a while, a SwiftKey, that a lot of folks use that kind of has a similar element to it. So everything that I've tried to type, unless it's a unique word like maybe DOS Geek, has come up pretty well. So if I try to do DOS Geek, you can see it really doesn't know what to do with that. But for your standard words that you would use in a text, it is very, very accurate. So you can see that was kind of a complex sentence there that I was swiping across. The best site on YouTube is my tech channel. I know it's not. I'm just showing. It's what can, leave me alone. Anyways, that's not even the main feature of this app. One of the other cool things that it does is if I go like this, now I have a one finger reachable, let me try to get this in the view here, reachable screen that you can see comes across. So it kind of curves the keyboard in so that I can reach it with just one finger if you're just typing with one hand. And we're going to do the same test here. So you can see, even with that one finger, very accurate. It's very precise. It's far more accurate, honestly, than any of the other keyboards that are swipe initiated like this. But one of the things I also like is the fact that I can just type for those who don't want to swipe. And you can see that while these numbers, these letters here are very, let me get this in, are very small on the screen. If I disconnect it, it won't show it on my screen, but they're very, very, very small here. But it's still, the word autocorrection is so good that it's able to pick up. It's able to pick up the actual word and retranslate it. And it also has very good predictive text. And it does store data on your typing, so it learns and it gets better as you go. So a lot of the times the word that I'm looking for auto pops up so that I don't even have to search for it. So that's it. That's a brief review of the app WordFlow. It seems pretty cool. I'm actually going to keep it on my phone for now, and I've used it for about a day now, texting and doing some short emails, and it's worked very well. I would say it's an improvement over iOS's keyboard. I like the one-touch swipe feature that it has, so that it moves the keyboard over. I like the fact I can customize the background. Anytime you can customize anything on iOS, it's quite amazing. So give it a shout. Take a look at it. Let me know what you think. Leave some comments below. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll talk to you all soon.